Hey, what's up? This is my little project today. I'm going to take this thing apart. I'm going to make it an unblocked scanner. On the 800 megahertz, you got all these channels that are blocked from 809 or 810 to 834. And then you got the 900 band. Skips from 915 to 960. So you don't get any of those channels. Just waiting for this thing to warm up. Warm it up, man. Gotta warm it up. Then we need not the resistor. We need this one here unsoldered. Please don't skip. Please don't skip. Fuck. Fucking skipping. You know what? I think I gotta reset the settings. So I already did it and it worked. So hold this button down, both of these buttons, this button. It's a full reset. And now you have, see, before we went from 14 and skipped all the way up to 60. There you go. So it's been about a week since I soldered off the diode, turned this into a wideband scanner with no blocked frequencies. You hit this here, it'll give you different sections. So you want to scan, let's say, the 150s, that's where a lot of the cops and stuff are. Hit this here. Now you might want to make sure you're in the right spot. You have FM, you have AM, you have narrow bands. What you do is you take this, you stop the scan, and you hit it. Wideband, AM. And when it goes to auto, that means that that's what it's supposed to be in. That's supposed to be in FM, and it'll change. 155. 155. See, I don't have that one, so I'm going to plug that one in. Let's go back to scan. I got that in my memory. So I like to scan this whole area, so I'll go back and forth, spin this dial this way. When I get too far, 151 all the way up to 155. You get some good stuff. You just gotta hit this button here and make sure it's on 5, because if it's up here, you're gonna be skipping a lot of channels. So I hit 5, hit it again, hold this down, tap it. Now if you just want to scan the band, you go over here, turn the knob up here. Now you're scanning just the band, so it'll start over. You get to 170, and then it'll go back down, start over at 150 again. So you just scan that whole band there. And that's it. It's a pretty good little scanner. There's your volume. Okay, scan. There we go. I'm scanning my memory. Good shit. Icom IC R5, Hong Kong, China, Japan, Europe. Just make sure and get the one with the J on the back, and then you can do the modifications. That's Collins Lake. That's the Collins Lake CB scanner radio. And they're doing stuff. Well, you know, we got trouble on the dock or whatever. They got cops up there. Stuff going on Saturday, Friday. Put on your scanner, you can hear what's going on. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. And of course, I have have right here in my hand a little diode, and I'm going to solder it back on because it's not legal, and I'm just doing this for educational purposes. Like I say, I'm putting the diode down.